Hey guys, welcome back to Soft's Glam Beauty. You guys, today is another body scrub video and I'm excited for this one as well. Like, I'm gonna be making some turmeric whipped body scrubs, okay? From the look of things, you can tell that I've already measured out all of my sugar, butter, and all of that good stuff. So, yeah. In here, I have some mango butter. And I also have some shea butter. You guys know we have to get shea in this, in this thing. And I also have some beeswax. And I also have some cane sugar and some Stevenson's soap base. I have my oils here. I have sunflower oil, some wheat gram oil, vitamin E oil, some honey, and some glycerin. Last but not least, some coconut oil. Okay, so this turmeric body scrub is gonna be really rich. Okay, so, and you already know the drill. My double boiler is ready for the go. I'm gonna be adding my mango butter in there. I'm gonna pop this on the double boiler and melt it, okay? So, while my butters and oil are melting, I'm gonna take some of the Stevenson's base. Base. And I'm gonna put it in my stand mixer. But before I do, I want to chop it up a little bit more. So this is how it's looking. It's almost ready. Okay, just added all of this goodness in here, all of this goodness. Your honey is setting underneath, and we don't want that. Now that everything is blended, I'm gonna be adding a little bit of oil in here to blend my turmeric, like so. I'm gonna put this aside, okay? a lot of it not blended, so we have to come and scrape the sides a little bit before adding any other thing in here. Like this hand mix-up bowl, this stand mix-up bowl is so big. My printer just got lost in it, like like it's nothing. This is not right. Anyways, we gotta do what we gotta do. All right. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna whip it some more. Consistency look good. I just want to put a little bit more air in it because I don't think it has enough air. Yep. Just whip it up a little bit. And let's see, okay? Bring it back again. Oh, I'm gonna gain some muscles doing this. I'm gonna be adding some Optifin for my preservative. I'm using pipette to measure this, putting this much. So since this is a scrub and it's an exfoliating scrub, I'm gonna be using some energy fragrance in here. It says energy fragrance oil, okay? I'm gonna be measuring it like so. The turmeric has its own smell. I don't want to like overpower it. So this is it. I'm gonna be splitting it into two. One. Ooh. Okay. That's the white part. And this part, I'm gonna be putting some turmeric. All right, that's enough. Just because I did a lot doesn't mean I should use everything. But equally so, we also want a good amount of turmeric in it, okay? It's just tinted a little bit. I think I'm gonna put the rest of the turmeric in it. So Let me mix it again. I'm definitely putting it on, back to blend it. I just, yes, it's giving me that color that I want. Yeah, it smells so good. See, got everything out. I thought I wasn't gonna use that much, but I realized that. All right, let me stop screening myself. Okay, great job, stand blender. You have played your part. Okay? Your job here is done for today. Okay, okay. So this is how it's looking, people. It's time for the semi-fun part, which I can never get right. It's time to pipe again. It's time to package. Okay, it's time to package. Okay, these are my two colors. I'm definitely gonna buy the press and seal very soon because I need it in my life. So I'm switching out my gloves because I don't want to dirty the white lid for my jar. So, yep. So I do have my jars. I'm gonna put this aside and do it one at a time, okay? So like so. Okay, you ready? All right, let's see. Oh, it's gonna hurt, but oh my God. What am I gonna do? All right, so this is it. Okay. Like, oh, it's so little, God. So I'm just gonna complete this jar, but I have to change my piping style. I can't. It's looking good, but I don't know. It's giving me some tough time here. Okay? Yeah, see what it's giving me? It's nice and all of that, but I'm not feeling this. So I'm definitely changing it, okay? Okay, I've already took this stuff out. It's very ugly, but I'm gonna try and see what it's gonna give me, okay? So let's see. It's just gonna put a big old lump. It's actually not bad. Don't look bad at all. Okay. Oh my God, I like it. Are you serious right now? Oh my God, I like. Oh my God, I like it. Hands down, please. I like it. See, it's always good to try. Even if you don't like it, just try it. Even if it's not your thing, just try. Have you guys seen what I got? Uh-oh. It still looks gorgeous. Even though the white isn't showing much, but please, I like it. I do. Oh yeah. Looking like so. I'm gonna clean it around here really nicely. Oh, a big one left behind. At least this one has some white. Okay, I think this one, God. Look at this one. It is gorgeous. So you guys, this is our finished product. Don't this look like my clear lip gloss thingy? Like it looks so alike. You guys look here. These are bomb. I'm not even wasting my time trying to pipe this thing in a certain way anymore because I love this. You guys look right here. I don't know what to say, but this is lovely. It really do look lovely. Very, very, very lovely, okay? But anyways, I still love it. Turmeric is a good brightening agent and brighten dark spots. You guys already know what the drill is. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you. And until next time, bye-bye. Toodaloo-see.